Good morning, grade 6. Our lesson for today is about the kinds of adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs and adjectives or another adverb. They tell when, how, often, where, in what manner the actions are done. Examples: Bianca and Celine walked slowly to the neighbor's house. Number 2, the two girls looked at each other nervously and rang the bell. Let's now proceed to the kinds of adverbs. 1. The adverb of manner. The adverb of manner tells us how an action happens. Example of adverb of manner. 1. The girls patiently wait for the door to open. Number 2. The man looks at them seriously. The next is the adverb of place. The adverb of place tells us where an action happens. Examples of adverb of place. Number 1. The girls look everywhere to find the cat. Number 2. They want to go there. The next kind is the adverb of time. The adverb of time tells us when an action happens. Examples of adverb of time. Number 1. The girls walked to their neighbor's house yesterday. Number 2. Tomorrow, they will visit their new friend. Next is the adverb of frequency. The adverb of frequency tells us how often an action done. Example of adverb of frequency. Number 1. The girls often walk to the park. Number 2. They rarely walk to school. The next is the adverb of degree. The adverb of degree tells us to what extent something is. Examples of the adverb of degree. Number 1. The girls are too hungry not to take lunch. Number 2. They are quite nervous when they entered the house. The next is adverb of affirmation. The adverb of affirmation tells that something is true or positive. Examples of adverb of affirmation. Number 1. Definitely, the two girls are scared. Indeed, they are kind neighbors. Next is the adverb of negation. The adverb of negation tells that something is not true or negative. Examples of adverb of negation. Number 1. The girls' neighbors hardly go out of their house. I never judge other people. Thank you very much, grade 6, for listening. And God bless you, and see you again next time.